Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the LED headlight kit from JNS Engineering. Alright, so for certain bikes that are using a halogen headlight, these LED headlight kits from JNS Engineering, really good upgrade. They're super bright. I like them because they're good looking, and also probably the biggest benefit is they use a lot less power than a halogen. You know, halogens these days are getting better, they're putting out a lot of light, but they do require more power. And just to give you an idea of how much power these use or how much less power they use, we've actually got two bikes here at Rocky Mountain that we have them installed on. We've got a Honda XR650L, I've got one on a Yamaha TW200. That XR650L, the stock headlight with the low and high beam on, you're about 60 watts. With the JNS Engineering headlight, you're actually only about 35 watts with the low and high beam on. So you're almost half the amount of power required to run these. So if you have a bike and you have a lot of electrical accessories on it, or you plan to put some on, these are a really good upgrade because they use a lot less power, but they're still super bright. And also, when it comes to install, super easy. It's just plug and play. You're just gonna take your stock headlight off. You can see on the back here, there's gonna be your plug. You just plug it right in and you're gonna be good to go. Also, I like with the mounting, that they actually allow these to swivel, so you can actually move it up and down when you have it mounted, and that's just gonna get the light exactly where you want it. Now, as far as the lights go, on the inside, you're gonna have two sets of LED projectors. You're gonna have your wide low beams, you can see those on the outside, and then in the center, you're gonna have your center spot, and that's gonna be your high beam. You're also gonna notice that you have this white piece that runs all the way along the bottom. That's actually a daytime running light. So if you want to, you can plug that in when you're installing this. It's optional, you don't have to have it on, but it's just a daytime running light. So for some riders, they might want that, some might not. The choice is going to be yours. But also when it comes to life, you get a lot of hours out of these. They actually say that the LED life expectancy is 50,000 hours, so they're gonna last you a very long time. But that is it. That is the JNS LED headlight kit. Remember guys, if you have a halogen headlight for certain bikes and you wanna reduce the amount of power that it's using, this would be a really good upgrade. If you guys do have any questions, leave your comments below. To pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this video, you want to see more product spotlights like it, along with our gear guides, our how-to videos, and our adventure rides that we document for your pleasure, well, make sure you click and subscribe. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.